Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. This day today, rate my new haircut, guys. Hey, I've been on the capes for for a long time, man. I've been hiding my long hair, but yesterday, I had a very just self treat of my own self, just to trim and have a very nice haircut. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this haircut. Hey, good morning, I wanna say so. Or good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is another beautiful video over here. I'm shooting this video from my home here in Kenya, Africa, or my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa, and I'm with our dog by the name Sude. Hey, please subscribe if you're new, like, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. We are here in Kenya, more specifically Nyabohanse Sibania village, and right now today also is another beautiful day. The same blessings are also flowing because blessings follow me. There's a song that usually sing like that blessings locate me. Blessings follow me. Da, 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 da. If you know that song, please comment down below. Maybe the owner or the author of that song, I should be knowing. Maybe I should download and be listening to it. So blessings are locating, and they are locating us over here. And also, we can't forget our lovely island, Jamaica. We are still in prayers with you, and we are always with you. We always with you. Hey, stop, man. No. Go home. Globally, Jamaica was ranked number 1 for helping, and our country, Kenya, was ranked number 4 for helping. You can just imagine. We Kenyans, we have good hearts. Now, despite that, most people sometimes they say, oh, those people are scammers, oh, blah, blah, blah. But the reality is, we have a very clean heart, and we really love helping others. Same way like Jamaica being ranked number 1. And that's why we all love Jamaica. The land we all love, you know? So, guys, this day today, also, let me not give you much, but also we'll be heading to the orphanage. We are going to buy more food. And this was also sent with the same donor who said, okay, Claude, I've seen you have bought this kind of food. That was 180 kgs. That was 2 sacks, because they always say a sack carries 90 kgs. So we carried 2 sacks. We were supposed to buy this yesterday, which was on a Sunday, but the stores were closed. So today I'll be heading back to the orphanage, go pick Grace, or I just had Grace, and then we should go to the area where we were packing the maize. We buy the maize, then I can just share with you what's happening around, because for now Pastor Esther, she's not around. She's at the hospital in Nairobi, and let's hope all the best, and let's pray for her quick recovery so that she can resume back to her home of 130 kids plus. That is the orphanage over here. And yeah, let's wish her a quick recovery, because she was undergoing a surgery in which will be on a Thursday this week, because she called me the other day. I called her the other day, and she told me she was given a transfer or a referral to Aga Khan Hospital for another more scanning. So let's wait. And over here, it's my brother's house. You see now he has done a very massive way, a very great way all the round. So the house have to be on top of that, when you see that timber, all the way around, so that when maybe some days he'll be putting up some iron sheets, it will be better for him to share what's going on around. And I love the fact that everything is very nice and green. We have been receiving rain recently, which is a very good blessing. And also for me, I really feel much better, because I'm a farmer, a young farmer. I'm not yet a very big farmer, but a young farmer, proud young farmer, who I really love to just small, as long as my family is not sleeping hungry, or as long as you can come and say, hey Claude, I would love to have maybe one sweet potato or kales, something like that. You know, when you have something like that at home, maybe a kitchen garden or a farm where you can at least have your own maize without buying, that will be better, something like that. Yeah, so this is our beautiful home, and it's early morning. That's our bulletproof house. That's my grandma's house. The other end is my parents' house. And this tree, I planted it when we were building this house. You can just imagine. This tree has really grown up very, 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 very big. I had 4 of them. I bought 4 of them. They were very... Somebody told me that this tree grows very big, very big, very big. But I don't know if you know. I don't know the name of this tree, you know. Anyway, guys, there's been a lot of things happening up and down. I just wanted to cross by to go steal the to have the tomato trees plants, but this area is kind of muddy, you know. Yeah, so we'll be heading with you guys, and we'll be seeing where also we are all welcome for a help. If you really feel like you can help, you can really help. Our mission is just to also do what we call like buy more foods for now when Pastor Esther is not around, so that the kids can also eat, because right now schools are closed. I'm telling you, I can feel the beat, you know. I can feel that beat, like you're having more than 130 kids, and all of them, they really want maybe porridge in the morning, they want in the noontime, they want to eat lunch, at supper they want to eat. So you know, it's really discouraging, and on the other end it's really like consuming. So one of you guys, a good subscriber or a good donor, donated money, and we will be heading to the market right now with Grace, so that we can go also buy more and more and more and more and more maize. So like 5 bags of maize. So we will definitely go buy 5 bags of maize, and we will see how we will bring them also to the orphanage. Then later on, you know, for now cabbage is what is being headed on the other side, more of the cabbages and kales. But for now, we'll just try and see what will be happening on this other end. You see, with me, I'm very much happy also for the watermelons. Actually, today is a Monday. They were supposed to have what you call like chemicals, or to have been sprayed with chemicals, but until tomorrow, or maybe later in the evening. Maybe later at the evening is where we'll be doing some spraying of what we call like chemicals alongside this end. And also a time like now, they need also more cleaning, more and more and more and more and more cleaning. Anyway, guys, let's try and see what will be happening. For now, they are relying on cabbages, so maybe I'll go check on my farm. Maybe that will be tomorrow. I'll go check on my farm. I see if we can, or I can also chip in for kales, because I have planted a lot of kales, and right now, because I've been so much busy on this other end, I haven't sold that kale. So I'll definitely pluck some leaves. Maybe I'll come with maybe Grace or some of the girls from there. They'll come help to pluck some leaves from our dreamland, because it has been long time. It has been long time. For the new subscribers, I have land actually. It's my dreamland where I'm planning to build my own home, because over here it's my parental home where my dad is here. This is me, that's grandma, and this is my brother, you know. So some days this will be a property for a last born, you know. According to us, according to African Traditional Society, in our own home or in our own society here, we believe everything that is around the compound here belongs to the last born. Everything that is around here belongs to the last born. But if maybe the parent has given the will that maybe the last born will take everything here, or they'll be shareable. That's how it is. But with me, I already know that I will be dispatched out, because the will says that's how it is. The will says everything according. Even if the parent says that this home will belong to the firstborn, it will not happen, because from the look of things, they always leave everything to the lastborn, because the lastborn is the one who always remain at the home or at home. So maybe some days you'll be told, oh man, you know, now this property belongs to your younger brother. So that's why I told you I have land. I bought land, and there's where I'm planning to build maybe some days. So before building, I planted some. I was doing a project there. I planted some watermelons. At first I planted maize. I planted what we call like kales. I planted beetroots, in which they were washed away by heavy rains or disaster that came the other time. And also our carrots were washed, and onions were washed away. So I decided to plant kales for now, and it has been a long time since I went there. I think by now even it's bushy. Maybe some days I'll take you, maybe on the next video I'll take you there and we see what's happening, will be happening. And for now, let's proceed to the orphanage, guys. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And yeah, let's buy more food and we see how stuff will be. All right. So guys, we're saying goodbye from home, and yeah, let us proceed to the orphanage. Actually my eye is very disturbing, but let's proceed. Let's go pick Grace, and then we proceed towards the other side. You will see what we have and what we don't have. So slowly let's go check. And route one way. Slowly. Let's proceed and see. Alright, let's now head to the orphanage slowly by slowly, all pole. It's morning time, and we can see what to be. Pole. Just an amazing way of moving. Just slowly. Look at the beautiful trees. Those are eucalyptus. You know, in a certain community called Kisi, they don't have indigenous trees. They only have this types of trees. Eucalyptus, but with us over here it's a mixed one. We have different species of trees, indigenous trees, also indigenous trees. See, like them here. Wow, la. So we'll definitely see what it will happen. Slowly. Then we pass by at the corner and we'll be proceeding. Like a small dog here. It wants to do its own things. This dog. Hi Motina. Let's proceed and see. So we just arrived at the junction. This heads to the border town, and now we are just making a U-turn to them orphanage. The orphanage. So let's head there. And the road that you see that heads up heads to the drunkard's man's place. That is Bunyige's place. So heading this upper side heads to Bunyige's place. But our business is we heading to the orphanage to see some. This I'll just go check on Bunyige. We see how Bunyige is faring on. Maize has really gone well. This other side, also the downside. Look at how green this place is. Maize. The maize has really come out well. Alright, let's move slowly. And you see this end also. Well, these are mixed farming. Cassava, also maize here. Let me show you. See how green it is. Hey, people are harvesting. People are farming, not a joke. These sides. So let's proceed downwards. We check what's going on. Just slowly and easy. And you see what's happening. So right there. At this end. Just this place. Right. So guys, we are here, and the cabbage that she bought on Saturday, you ate on Saturday, Sunday.
On Saturday we ate githeri. On Sunday we ate ugali and cabbage.
Yes.
And yesterday, on Sunday we ate
Rice,
cabbage and eggs.
Alright guys. So I just ambushed.
Lunchtime they took ugali and kales.
Oh, ugali and kales. Guys, I just ambushed on Grace. Maybe you can introduce yourself and tell people where we are at. Yeah.
Okay, my name is Grace Barbara, and we are at Northboard House of Refuge.
Yes.
And our YouTube name or our YouTube channel's name is Northboard House of Refuge.
Yes.
Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.
Yeah. Alright guys, so today we're going to do what we're going to add more sacks so that they can sustain them on this. So as she has told me that also Priska brought some stuffs, which is very good and okay, and she added more 2 sacks for food. So with us today, this morning, we are going to buy 5 sacks of maize, but she has told me we can buy 4, and the remaining balance for 1 sack we can do what we call like a balance on the vegetables, so we can add more cabbages because there's cooking oil and washing powder, right? That's yeah. So we'll just try go, because with me I just want to be on the ground, check what's supposed to be done, because I can bring maybe maize and they don't have cabbage or they don't have scales. Like maybe tomorrow I'll just come carry you, and some of the ladies will go help me pluck some skuma wiki from my farm. You know, I have skuma wiki. You just sustain it for maybe a night or a day. Yeah. So today we will go just buy a Tanzania. We just try cross and see what we can have with Grace, and then yeah, she's writing down the budget. You can have some sacks of maize, and then powder, what we call like washing powder, that's Omo, and some cabbages, so that they can keep on them until when mom will come back. So let's proceed and see how stuff will be. Alright. So guys, we are on the road again, trying to move to the market, and we will be checking what's happening. So these people are harvesting stones from this end. See how they are doing it. They just burn, and then they proceed. But this place of yours is coming. Soon this end will be joining the orphanage. Because you know guys, this most of people here have just bought land. They just came and bought land and they have become neighbors all along at this end. This really means that now the town, the border town, it's really under, it's really full. So they're coming this end on the side. So let's just proceed and see vending mandazi. It's morning time. We'll see what's the proceedings of everything. Guys, this is what you see. Hey, this guy just decided to park up by the roadside. Huh? Why? Wanna park the road, Sasa? This is the border town, guys. That's a border point. They always do what you call like if you want to book for Skyworld. That's a company that like flights, right? Yeah. That's what we booked for Mom. We can proceed. So we're in border town. Let's proceed and see what's happening. Today being a Monday, it's not as busy as other days. Maybe on a Saturday, there is way to see how busy this place will be. Burundi. So most people are passing back. Look, back door. What is going on the back? The back door is working more than the main road. Alright guys, let's proceed slowly and we'll check. Guys, we just arrived here, but the owner who sold us the maize the other day, she has closed. I think she has gone to buy more maize in Tanzania. I don't know. But let's try and see how it will be, because there are so many stores here. We wanna head to this other store that is in front of us. We see how they'll also sell maize to us. You know, big disappointment.
But they always say expect disappointment. We will not be disappointed.
Yeah, we expect more disappointment. Oh man. For now, okay, anyway, this is it guys. So let's wait and see what's happening on this other end. So let's check on the next one. I think this one or this, the other one. No, it's here. This. Yeah. Guys, the big shock is because this guy now knows that he's the only person with the store around here. Now he has just decided to hype the price. He's hyping the price to with 100 Kenyan shillings. Hey, let's just walk aside. We see how we check and we see how we will work on this. Let's walk and see. So guys, we just decided to buy maize from this end, and we have bought we have going at least at least sio wewe unajichukua mwenyewe baba. Hey, so guys, we are trying to buy maize here. We're buying 4 bags of maize, 4 sacks of maize. And through this, because the other side they were trying to do what we call like buy maize for 3,300. So they are selling at 3,000 or something like that. So it's like very better. So what do you think about that, Grace?
Let's buy here.
Yeah, at least it's kind of cheaper compared to the other side where the other guy was hyping. So let's buy here, and then we're just trying to buy 4. Then the rest money we try to balance with the cabbages. Yeah. Yeah. All right. The price was higher. Yeah, it will be better. Yeah. So guys, I was trying to prepare the road, and you know, Tanzanians are here. They're more of them. They're just on a strike, so they just jump from the other end to this end. So definitely, because their police are just coming from the other side. Mostly nowadays, the boys don't go what you call like they don't really do what you call like stay at their homes. They always cross the border to Kenya. So that's why you see a lot of motorbikes. And over with us here, I was trying to prepare this end so that we can definitely have what we call like food maize here. I think 4 sacks will be enough for this. So you see how boys are running from Tanzania to Kenya. They're just running from Tanzania to Kenya. So let's wait with us. Our business is to carry the maize and we proceed back. Just like that. Yeah. So guys, we are packing. But the good thing with this maize is that it's clean and they are bigger. You see? They are bigger. They don't have more weevils. So they are in. So, and most people are coming from Tanzania to this end, so let them park in here. So we're remaining with the other one, and then we can go for cabbage. So I'll just send you money for cabbage and onions, but we can buy onions here and tomatoes. Then for cabbage, I'll send you the money. Yeah, so this is what you see, guys. We have to add more. Two more are coming from the other end, so we can see how it should be. Well, the good thing is this is how you see. Nenda kuja hata hapa tu hivi ndugu yangu. Wewe ripakia hapa katikati. Usirerale burera yake uri cherikara ikorohani tafadhali. So already we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me pay because I'm using my phone and Grace will be over there also. All right. So guys, let's go. Already we have bought the maize, so it's time for us to go and see what we can have. Yeah, just as you see. All right. So guys, we are at the border town over here again. We are here and we have some best tomatoes, despite that the challenge is that Tanzania are not now bringing more tomatoes to Kenya, but we have found some best tomatoes over here and we are with Grace. Yeah, so continue, Grace. Na uko na vitunguu mama? Vitunguu ndio sina. Oh. Unatumiza majani? Round? Okay. No, we can just try the other. Hey! Accidento! And that's how you see how stuffs are moving around. And we have some very healthy goats. Ish! We have some very healthy goats. But they always eat everything around. So let's try and see what's going on around. Ah, Humra. Eh? Pepe. Mae rotu mukungu. Vamos. Yeah guys, that's how everything is. Let's try have the tomatoes and then we have our own way. You know? Yeah, so guys, we are buying some now what you call like onions. Because things has been bad at Tanzania. So we are trying. Yeah. So we have to add onions and tomatoes because this will be better for eggs. And the small kids cannot eat cabbages, so they always eat eggs and mixed with cabbage. It will be better. Sometimes they eat protein. So this is where our mama Hizi ni ngapi? 300. Guys, this goes for 300. Umetuongeza vizuri mama Trusira. Umetuongeza vizuri. Unasema kumi. Oh. So let's go. The economy right now, it's crazy. So we have remained with 50 bob there. Wait. Yeah. So let's proceed, take our bike. Hey, mtu amenifungia bank. So let me try and maneuver and see how it will be. So let's go back and check how stuff will be around. All right.
So we are the nearest farm where, like we did the other day.
Yeah. So you'll be going to buy cabbage from the nearby farm. So far, let's go and just go add gas to the car, and then we proceed, guys. See how this will be happening. This is our beautiful town, and we are going home now. Yeah, so guys, let's proceed moving home, and we check what's happening on the other end, and let's see. So let's proceed and check on what's going on. Slowly. Grace, how is the tick? How is the tick? How are you coping up again with the situation right now? So let's proceed slowly. Yeah, I was asking how are you taking up with this situation right now?
Right now, it's not too difficult to deal with the kids at home because at least we have food at the school.
Yeah, you know when you have maize now, when you have food now, food is everything. Even if they can play there, they know they'll just have porridge or they have maybe ugali. Yeah.
So at least now, we can now settle.
For a little bit. Yeah.
Because the food is there, so the kids won't be too stubborn.
You don't be too stubborn. Yeah, guys. So let's proceed and see. Things will be moving around. Transformer actually is over here. The transformer. And with us, let's proceed now to the village, to the orphanage, and we see how things will be moving on. Slowly. Pole. We are home at our stiff, crazy road over here. We check how we'll maneuver. Okay, we have gone. Okay, right in front of us on the right side is our orphanage. So let's proceed slowly. Check on how we are moving. The boy is also riding his own car. Maruko gym? Haya. Let's proceed slowly.
So we are finally back.
Just want to come from this side. Yeah.
They are airing the maize before they take it to the machine.
Yeah. Aeration. This is what you see. Aeration. Let's proceed and see how it should be. Let's go and move and check on this side. How it will be. So Pius is working over here, trying to put the maize down. We have this. purchase more bags. Nataka chawati simu mra.
Katika tengo hii tu. Mbona nimekumbuka.
Wewe, ona
Toka kidogo. Nataka cerebral deno ni ankange no nebo tokere mpaka togore yake. What you see? Just like that. Another one also is here. So there are 4 bags of maize. So hopefully they'll just do the aeration. Igombuya sasa.
Hata gari na bebo.
Beba tu.
Oh. Ana shida. Acha kwanza nifunge.
Haya. So
mtoke gari naingia hapo mama.
yeah, mission accomplished. So guys, we have just this. They say they're going to sieve and put something like wooden so that those old maize that are here, they can be raised to something. So Papa is going to use wooden to put them so that this one can be put up. And yeah. Yeah. So we'll yeah. All right. So guys, it's time for me to go back and yeah. Mama, tumeleta tena zingine.
Nashukuru.
Yeah.
Mbarikiwe.
Amina mama.
May God bless you.
Yeah, mama.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Grace, I'll be just a phone call away. In case of anything, we just call and we'll see. If we get time, we'll come. Yeah. So tomorrow, I think I told you tomorrow I'll be harvesting my kales. So hopefully I'll be able to bring them here. Yeah. So guys, let's go back home and we'll see how everything is. This is Noah's boat, home of refuge. And please, if you feel like subscribing to them, please subscribe to Noah's boat, house of refuge. Also show some love by supporting them, because for now it's at the very hardest time because Pastor Asa, she's not around. She's ailing actually at in Nairobi. She's at the hospital and we want to see what's going on around. Alright guys, let's get back. Bye. Thank you ma'am. Hi ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye. You know, change starts with you. You know, when you even change one person, even the heavens just smile. The heavens is smiling. Yeah, so let me get back home. I just want to go first to the garage because the car here is saying I have to take it there a little bit for small repair, and we can check on what's happening around, guys. So thank you, and let's see. I'll update you what's going on.